Let's eat outside. Hi, puppies. They were so excited to get food, they were actually shivering.
Is learning. Orajel training toothpaste.
Come in.
Spit brush kids toothbrushes. Proud supporters of healthy smiles and positive drugs on PBS.
Hi, cute puppies. Hi, cute puppies. I'm washing rugs. Would you rather be in the kitchen? Do you want to be in the kitchen? Isn't it much more fun out here? Look at all the fun stuff there is to do out there. Yeah, food. You already ate it. Groovius has the right idea. We're not coming in yet. We're not coming in yet. I'm gonna have to put you in the kitchen, you know. I'm cleaning rugs. And this is how gross the water is from just one rug. I'm cleaning rugs. You can't come in here. You're just pee on the carpet. Okay, no. Be good boys.